you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no bar, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Banks and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello. Guess what, guys? Birthday girl. Joshua, say hello.
Hi.
Joshua, come on, ain't nobody seen you. Say something.
Me?
No, she ain't talk. I can't vlog and drive. I have to pay attention to the road.
I don't know what to say.
Tell the people what's going on.
I'm on the road, going somewhere that I don't know where I'm going. I have a surprise. Happy birthday. What is this, Lord? Help me, please. Very funny.
Take the birthday present.
Have to accept it. Very funny. Are you kidding me right now? Be blessed, man. But oh wow. You know who ever change them accessories? It's not showing.
You need to show it. It was showing just
Yeah, but it's not showing the true color. It matches my outfit. Take off these dirty ones. You see water? Take off these dirty ones. Wow, even the, oh my gosh, you guys aren't seeing the true color. But I see the true color shining through. Yes, auntie, yes.
So we're heading out to eat.
Yes.
And
That's why you said vlog. Because I'm like, what is there to vlog? We're just in the car driving to the location. He's like, just start the vlog. Start the vlog. It was a plan. Thank
we'll
you.
let y'all know what. Oh, sorry.
You're welcome. I love it, don't lie. It's like a blush tone. The stones are like a blush tone. It's pink. It looks okay. Pinkish. I don't care what it is. But
It's Da Vinci.
oh wait, sit to me. I not even notice. A Givenchy. Okay,
Oh,
get it right.
oh, sorry.
A Givenchy. No. A Givenchy. There's a whole song about it. Because they don't know what they're saying.
Joshua, talk louder now. We in the vlog and you talk soft.
Alright, so Joshua saying it's Givenchy. Givenchy on my pocket. Right. That's what I said. Givenchy. Joshua, you guys outdid yourselves this time with my gift. I like it. I really, really like it. And coincidentally, it's so tying with the outfit you guys wouldn't believe. This is like a blush pink color. And the blouse is a blush color blouse, so it works. So we're at the place. I don't know, he's gone to check out what is going on. I'm super hungry, like literally from breakfast I haven't eaten, so whatever it is that is in here to eat, I'll be tearing it up. Right place?
It seems to be the right place. What? However, I don't see nothing's happening there. Like I think it says they open for dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we're a little bit early if it's the right place. If it's not, look how I look Slimish. If it's not the right place.
We have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
Somebody called your phone.
Just now?
No, when you were sleeping.
Answer what?
I didn't listen. But I heard the word reservation, and then I moved the phone away. And then I said, you need to call him back, because I don't think I need to be hearing this.
Oh, you can't hear it. That's why I'm not waste my time and surprise her with
But
nothing.
I didn't hear anything. I just hear...
Just don't waste my time and surprise her with nothing. Trust me. No make no sense.
I didn't know when, where, why, or how, but... Call back the number, then.
This don't make no sense. So we're at this place called the Blue Collar, and it's one of those types of, what you call them type of place there?
Working
In
class...
Miami.
Working class restaurant?
No man, not necessarily working class,
For
but
them say blue color.
it's just a nice little gastropub type of place. Yeah, man. Thanks much. Hi, boss. I mean, listen, I made a reservation, right? But I don't know if the company identified. They sent me an email that I missed the reservation. But it's okay,
That's what
right?
we weren't making. Yeah, we weren't sure if you were or not. But I'll make sure of it.
All right, thanks, man. Have a good day.
Take a toothpick.
I don't want a toothpick. So, guys, that was the birthday special at the Blue Collar. Wasn't bad at all. Wasn't bad. I think the wife enjoyed herself.